Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you all ought to be doing fine, well, superb. One of the biggest problems is with success that it demands a continuous attention. It demands a high level of continuous attention. And those people who are committed, success reaches over there. It means success tends to bless those people who are committed to giving attention to the success. It is somewhat like a garden, a lawn which is completely green, which is completely beautiful, and it has lots of beautiful flowers. The grass is completely green, but that lawn also needs a high level of attention. The lawn needs mowing, trimming, aging, planting, watering. If you miss any of them, or else if you miss all, so what may happen? The grass will turn brown and flowers will wither. They will die. How they will? Because of us. We are not getting them all nourishments which they need, which garden needs. Same is with the success. Your success also demands a continuous attention. It demands a high level of attention. And how attention comes? Through your commitment, through your massive actions, through your efforts, through your burning desire. If you keep these all things, success, believe in me, tends to bless you all members. Who are committed to giving the attention, who are committed to paying the attention, paying the heed to the success. Nobody can ever snatch the success from you if you are really committed. So you need to understand how you are paying the attention. If you take one decision and get along with that one decision, so it means you are not taking the massive decisions, massive actions. You do not need to get along with one decision. You need to keep taking the decisions. As you keep mowing, trimming, aging, planting, watering, you do not stop. Same is with the success. As you get the success, it does not mean that is the last point of yours. It means you need to keep taking the decisions, keep having the burning desires, keep taking massive decisions, keep using all efforts. In this way you will reach the success, and that success also needs the attention. And you know, when you reach at top level, so top slot is always slippery. But if you understand how to maintain, how to make the balance, how to strike the balance, if you understand, so believe in me, the top slot is not slippery for you. It is same as it is for the common people, for you at least. But those people who have not achieved, for them it is slippery. But those who have achieved like you, it is not slippery for them. So for making top slot better, you need to take the massive decisions, actions, efforts, and keep the burning desires along with you. Then you can get the success. It will 100% bless you. So thank you guys for listening to me. If you have liked this video, please do subscribe to my channel. My name is Jitendra Gangwani. I have been a trainer, an entrepreneur since 2005. Thank you guys. It was nice catching up with you.